Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add line chart in PowerPoint presentation, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add line chart in PowerPoint presentation. When you are in your project, click Insert. After that, click Chart. And then in the left sidebar, select line. And here you have different styles. For example, this one. Okay, if you are happy with this one, then just click OK. And here you can change the information. For example, here category 2, just category 2, 2.5, just click on it. And then here, for example, you type 4.5, and here you do the same. Okay, after that, just close the window, and here you can decrease the size or increase the size, and you can move it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add line chart in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.